Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get your Viber Pay or your Viber Wallet international bank account number. So let's get started. Now first off, once you have your Viber app right here, just go ahead and open it. Then you will be on your default home screen, which is the chat screen. From here, just go ahead and tap on the Pay icon right here at the bottom. And then you will be on your Viber Pay or your Viber Wallet screen. So on this section of the app, to see your bank account number or the number that people can use to send you money to, you would just need to tap on IBAN right here, that meaning international bank account number. And right here, you would be able to see all the info that someone needs to send you money on your Viber Pay account. So to share this, you can go ahead and tap on Share Details right here. And then this will be automatically copied onto the clipboard. And then you can just paste it in whichever chat you want. So essentially, that's guys how you can find your bank account number inside the Viber Pay app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.